Nimi aşamdı.
Aşam umardı tonin.
Umar beni de selviş kaldı, penze selviş kaldı.
Koçuto ile tımına vakti reis.
Yara koçup da se peyda şavem tırdı peyda koçup. Zvan me tol da se da sumra umar bera terkali da tol koçup.
Koçuto sanga zwanda.
Yara khuzwan maqsa shu. Was der tricks.
These are the Kuçis. They spend their days and nights herding sheep and goats on the terrain found on either side of today's border between Afghanistan and Pakistan. They are legally Afghan, speak a dialect of Pashto, but are shunned by resident ethnic groups in both countries. To some, these are the rarest people on earth, still fully in touch with the purest elements of survival. But to the Kuçis themselves, this is a truly hard life, basic and brutal, a hand-to-mouth existence.
لدي وجه ترخص إذا مخلوق الآلات ووجه وخشكسوة يوجد آلات لطرف خشكسوة بجد مخلوق خشكسوة ده شو ورد مج يورد دخل يتورس بيا دخل يتورس ده غير مجمع بريد ده غير بيا بليا مجمع بريد.
Estimates of the actual number of Kuçis who still live this way vary, anywhere between 300,000 and 1.5 million. Human rights organizations say they are the poorest and the most marginalized group in the war-torn areas of Pakistan and Afghanistan. They're also often blamed by other countries and ethnic groups of harboring Taliban militants, many of whom are said to be ethnic Kuçi. But the only fight Hashim seems concerned with is a fight for survival.
تدا خيمو كيتيرو لدير زمت سرا مخامخ سوداش بنجرم وسداد دايا خاخيستي درب درس كل كده عشان نور زنانه وبولا طول بدغره كم يشغاري لدير تكلفه سرا مخامخ سمر زكاتي بشانس تكوبيا في مقدب وسط كوشي بعد وهاروا بدغ وقت بيان لا بده زميك لا تكليفي لا اري خاصر بتكليفي المالي دي غالي بنجري دي غالي زنكاي ولكي دي غالي ليو خامنا مرسترا سر تيجي نشاك بالكلي نمسك نارا هرب.
Many Kuçis have tried to relocate to settled areas because of war, drought, and dwindling access to land. Some estimates say around 1/3 of ethnic Kuçis still lead fully nomadic lives. To them, it's the only choice, no matter how hard this life might be.